New data about the actual numbers of babies born alive after failed abortions are coming out, how the star of Unplanned is making a difference for mothers who choose life, and an exciting announcement from Students for Life. You're not going to want to miss this. That's all coming up on this edition of Pro-Life Gen News. Hey everyone, I'm Kelly, and this is Pro-Life Gen News. While pro-abortion Democrats dismiss and downright fight against the need for laws protecting babies who survive abortions, new state health data has revealed at least 40 babies were born alive after a botched abortion between 2016 and 2018. These survivors were documented in just 3 states, meaning there are likely many more. Despite the strong need for protections for babies who survive abortions, Democrats in the U.S. House and Senate have blocked the Born Alive Abortion Survivors Protection Act almost 100 times just this year. Statistics from the Centers for Disease Control, as well as personal testimonies of nurses and abortion survivors themselves, have provided evidence that babies survive abortions. According to the CDC, at least 143 babies were born alive after botched abortions between 2003 and 2014 in the U.S., though there may be more. Research by the American Center for Law and Justice estimated the number is much higher, at least 362 between 2001 and 2010. According to lifenews.com, currently about 18 states do not have laws to protect abortion survivors from infanticide. Some states have never passed laws to protect abortion survivors, while at least 2 others, New York and Illinois, repealed their laws requiring medical care for infants who survive abortions. Texas recently passed a law strengthening protections for infants who survive abortions, and the state legislators in Montana, North Carolina, and Wisconsin did as well. However, their Democratic governors vetoed this legislation. Wisconsin Governor Tony Evers argued that the legislation was just not a productive use of his time. We'll definitely be keeping an eye on that. And now over to Hollywood for some inspiring news. Yes, really inspiring news out of Hollywood. The star of the movie Unplanned, Ashley Bratcher, is partnering with Heartbeat International to offer moms facing unplanned pregnancies educational scholarships so they can continue pursuing their dreams while raising their children. Ashley said, "Women can pursue their careers and live out their dreams and have a richer, more fulfilling life while balancing motherhood. Sometimes it just takes a little help. I wanted to be part of empowering mothers to chase their dreams and to provide a means for those who choose life to continue their educations." The Unplanned Movie Scholarship will give an annual award of $5,000 to women who decide to choose life for their baby when faced with an unplanned pregnancy to put towards their education. If you want to make a donation to this life-affirming scholarship, you can do so at www.unplannedmoviescholarship.com. And last, but certainly not least, drum roll please for all you pro-life movers and shakers, we are so excited to announce registration for our National Pro-Life Summit is now open. Famous speakers in an iconic city for one historic event. The 2020 National Pro-Life Summit takes place the day after the March for Life in D.C., January 24th and 25th. This history-making weekend will be all about casting the vision for a post-Roe America, and we cannot wait for you to join us. Over 3,000 attendees will get to hear from pro-life powerhouses like Kristen Hawkins, Lila Rose, Charlotte Pence, and even former NFL player Matt Burke about how to embrace the day after Roe v. Wade is reversed. Register at prolifesummit.org before September 1st to get discounted tickets and a free t-shirt. That's all for today's episode of Pro-Life Gen News. For more on these stories and the latest in the pro-life movement, head over to studentsforlife.org and continue to follow us here on Facebook. Don't forget to like and share the content you're seeing here to help us spread the message of hope and life in America. Thanks for joining us. I'm Kelly, and I'll see you next time.